Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Expert Systems ERP. This is a gateway to managing your business operations efficiently. My name is Azhar and I will guide you the step-by-step process of the software. First of all, we have the login page here. Enter your username and this is case sensitive, like you can use uppercase or lowercase. Next, we have the password. Enter your secured password as defined during the registration. Select segment. Segment represents different companies. Choose the segment to ensure that your transactions are recorded under the correct company. We have two companies here, Expert Systems and Expert Systems New. Next, we have the F year. F year stands for the financial year. Select the appropriate financial year, and also you can change your password here. Enter your old password. Enter new password and confirm password. Click on submit and your password updated successfully. Enter the new password here. Click on login. Once logged in, you will reach the ERP dashboard, your control hub with a quick insights and analytics. Here's the dashboard. You can view the real-time stats, charts and summaries. We have the modules here, like we have gate. You can manage your arrivals and departures of the goods. Next, we have the mill modules where you can oversee operations, inventory and production. And this is the main module, financial management system, where you can monitor ledgers, balance sheets and financial reports. This was the introduction video. We will talk about each module in detail in the next videos. Expert Systems ERP simplifies business operations, making your workflow smarter and efficient. Get started today and experience the power of Expert Systems ERP.